Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to remove unwanted background with AI background remover. So, let's get started. Step 1. Launch your preferred web browser and input ImgLarger.com into the browser's address bar. Step 2. If you haven't already, log into your AI Image Enlarger account to access its dynamic capabilities, I suggest to do so. Step 3. Scroll down to uncover the diverse offerings of AI Image Enlarger. Opt for AI Background Remover to proceed. Step 4. Just click Upload Images to choose the image for enhancement. You can also directly drag and drop image files from your computer. Step 5. Initiate the transformation. Tap Start and await the magic. Use the eye icon to compare the original and enhanced images. Then, download the optimized image. With AI Image Enlarger, where innovation melds with imagination, enhancing your images through the enhancement of artificial intelligence. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.